Ever wondered just how big the universe is? Well, brace yourself because it's massive. So massive, in fact, that it's beyond our human comprehension. It's like trying to imagine a number that never ends. But let's not get lost in the infinite abyss just yet. Astronomers use a measure called light years to get a grasp on these vast distances. Picture this. Light travels at an astonishing speed of about 186,000 miles per second. In a year, it can cover nearly 6 trillion miles. Now that's a distance we call a light year. But the universe, it's not just a few light years wide, it's billions upon billions of light years across. And that's only the observable part. Actual size could be infinitely larger. When we talk about the universe, not just talking big, we're talking unimaginably vast. You might think of the universe as all there is, but there's a distinction to be made. When we talk about the universe, it's easy to imagine it as everything that exists, but in reality, we're only able to perceive a fraction of it. This fraction is what we refer to as the observable universe. The observable universe is essentially the portion of the entire universe that we can observe from our vantage point here on Earth. You might wonder why we can't see all of it. Well, the answer lies in the speed of light and the age of the universe. Light travels at an incredibly fast speed, about 186,000 miles per second. However, even at this mind-boggling speed, light takes time to travel across the vast expanses of space. Now consider the fact that the universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. This means that we can only observe as far out into space as light has had time to travel in those 13.8 billion years. Anything beyond this boundary is simply too far away, and the light from there hasn't had time to reach us yet. So, the observable universe is like a bubble, centered around us, extending about 46 billion light years in every direction. It's important to remember that this is not a physical boundary, but a horizon beyond which we cannot see. Now here's a mind bender. There's a lot more universe beyond that horizon. How much more? Well, that's one of the great mysteries of cosmology. Some theories suggest that it might be infinite, while others propose that it's finite but unbounded, like the surface of a sphere. What we do know for certain is that the observable universe is only a tiny fraction of the whole universe. In fact, it's like comparing a grain of sand to all the beaches on Earth. So, while the universe is much larger, we're confined to our observable bubble, a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things. But what lies beyond our observable universe? Now that's a question that has been tickling the minds of astronomers and cosmologists for decades. Some theories suggest that our universe is just one of many in a vast multiverse. Imagine an infinite cosmic quilt, with each patch representing a different universe, each with its own laws of physics. Or consider the concept of parallel universes, where an infinite number of realities exist side by side, each slightly different from the next. You might have a doppelganger living a completely different life, in a parallel universe just a hair's breadth away. These ideas are thrilling, aren't they? But it's crucial to remember that they remain just that, ideas. These theories are not confirmed facts. They're the result of brilliant minds letting their imaginations roam in the boundless playground of the cosmos. While these concepts are fascinating, they remain in the realm of theoretical physics, with much still to explore and understand. In the face of such vastness, where do we fit in? This question might be whirling in your minds. It's true, we are but a tiny speck in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. Earth, our home, is just one of countless celestial bodies, in one of the innumerable galaxies in the universe. Yet here's something to ponder. Despite our seemingly insignificant size, we hold an extraordinary place in this universe. Why is that, you ask? Well, it's because of our unique ability to understand, to question, and to explore this cosmic expanse. We might be minuscule, but our minds are not. We've been able to uncover the secrets of stars, galaxies, and even the universe itself. We've looked beyond our own world and dared to dream of what lies out there. So, while we may be small in the face of the universe, our curiosity and desire to understand make us infinitely significant.